Dear viewers, today I'm going to show you how to enable cookies in Android phone. Um, you can use any browser, and I will click in one browser, and then let's see, I will type in Google. Let me try to enter in DHL website to track my parcel, and I will try to go in this side. Okay, here it says accept all cookies. Okay, I keep accept all. Oh, it's not showing. Okay, I'm trying one more. Oh, it's not working out. And this is the same problem we are facing. And let's try to solve this one. So let's go to one website. Then here you can see down or up. You can see three dots or three lines. I will click here and I will go to settings. And if you scroll down, there you can see sites and downloads. And I will click there. Then I will click site permission. And up you can see there is written cookies. And by me, here you can see it's all is blocked. So I will allow them. And let's go to back. And let's do the same thing. Let's go to DHL to track, and it's working out. It's not asking anymore to accept all. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe and give one like. Thank you for watching.